Hello, Coryell's class.
Hello, Mr. Binder.
Today we are doing 3.1 integers and number lines. Can you use a number line to compare, add, and subtract?
Yes.
All right, we talked about integers. An integer is a whole number and it's what?
Opposite.
A whole number and its opposite. So if I say 5, what's the opposite of 5?
-5.
Positive numbers are bigger than what number?
0.
Negative numbers are smaller than what number?
0.
What does this inequality is a tool used to compare numbers. What does this inequality symbol stand for?
Greater than.
What does this one stand for?
Less than.
Reading integers. We said a gain of 20. We said 15 feet above sea level. We said a loss of 10. We were able to write a number that represents each of those expressions or those statements. What helped us? What word? Or what, no, I'm sorry, not what word, but what helped us understand if it was a positive or a negative? What's in? Keywords like gain, like above, and like loss. Yes, no?
Yes.
Great. Number lines. When we make a number line, we draw a horizontal line. We put 2 arrows on the end. Why do we put arrows on each end?
Because it never stops.
It keeps going forever, yes?
Yes.
Then what is this little line called? And we put a 0 in the middle, yes?
Yes.
Then we have to decide how many numbers we're putting on each side of the number line. Does it have to be the same on each side?
Yes.
Yeah, so in this case, I asked you to graph a 4. So we drew our number line, we put our 0, and we did 5 numbers to the right and 5 numbers to the left, right?
Yes.
If I asked you to graph a 4, you literally would put a dot where 4 is, yes?
Yes.
Easy. 28. Are you going to do 28 tick marks all the way to the end?
No.
Can you number by like 2s or 4 or 7? Like any number that goes into 28 nicely.
Yes.
Sweet. Can you use a number line to add or subtract?
Yes.
Certainly you can. If I say 3 plus 2, where am I going to put my first dot?
3.
Put a dot at 3, right? And if I'm adding 2, which way am I going on the number line?
Right.
We call these little bunny hops, yes?
Yes.
Arrow?
Yes.
Answer is what?
5.
Now, do you know what number is between 4 and 6, or what this tick mark represents?
Yes.
5, yes?
Yes.
If you subtract, which way do you go on a number line?
Left.
Left, yes. All right, inequality, compares. How would you read this inequality? On the count of 3, let's read it. 1, 2, 3.
1 is greater than 3.
1 is, what's the symbol?
Less than 3.
1 is less than 3. If you said 1 is greater than 3, you are wrong. 1 is not greater than 3. Just think about what it says. 1 is greater than 3. That does not sound right. Let's read this inequality symbol on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
6 is greater than -4.
Let's read this one on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
-11 is less than -2.
So we always read them from left to right. True or false?